Yes, hello Lisa, this is Ray, and in this video I wanted to go over with you how to edit your new website. This is obviously your new website. All the changes that you asked for uh, in the latest email that you sent, as you can see, have been done, including your logo with the tagline, a fourth tile for the homepage area. What I want to do in this video is just show you how easy it is to edit this website compared to your old website, which really didn't give you any ability to edit it. The home page is made up of an excerpt of individual pages. So basically the home page takes four of the main pages of your website, main pages being the About Us, the Griffin, Puppies, and Our Dogs, and it puts it in. So basically, in order to edit what you want under the inside of each one of these tiles, you have to go to these individual pages, because each one of these four tiles is just an excerpt of the page. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. This is your back panel. You log in with your username and password. I'm not going to repeat that, but I've emailed that to you. And your website is basically, what I've done is install the WordPress backend. Disregard this. This tutorial video that you're watching will be here in this area once I'm done with it. But basically, once you log in, you go to the page that you want to edit. You go here to All Pages, and all of the pages of your website are right in. So here you go. You see all of the pages. So for example, if you want to edit what you see here, you simply go to the About Us page and you can edit that content. Now, you'll have quick edit. That's pretty useless. View is if you want to view the page as people see it on the website. Trash obviously is deleting a page. Now, if we go here, you'll see that this is the editor for the About Us page. Now you can see that if you've ever used a program like Microsoft Office or Word, these icons should look very familiar to you. Always make sure you're in the Visual tab, not in the HTML, and always make sure you have 2 rows of buttons here. If you only have, make sure you have 3 rows of buttons. If you only have 2, click this and a second one will drop down. Now, I'm not going to go over what each one of these buttons are, because if you scroll your mouse over them, it'll tell you anyways. Anything that's before the More divider is what will show up in this excerpt. So you can see that this excerpt here is made up of what is right here highlighted. So that's where you can change what you want displayed in the excerpt area. And then everything below the More divider is what's going to be on the About Us page. Now you can go in here and you can edit whatever you like. You can add text, you can delete text, you can change pictures. So for example, let me show you how to insert a picture. Let's say we want to insert another picture here. We'll put our mouse there, we'll click upload, and then you can select a picture wherever it is on your computer. And you simply go to the area or the folder that you have your pictures and you select a picture. Now this is very important for you to remember. A lot of your pictures I noticed that you sent me when I was in the process of setting up this website were very, very large pictures. Some of them were 2,000 pixels wide. You want to make sure, for example, this picture here, it's 2048 by 1536. You don't want to insert such large pictures in your website. You want to resize pictures to be no more than 800 by 600, or you're really going to slow down the performance of your website. That's just a tip that I wanted to give you. Now, when you insert a picture, you just select the picture and it'll be inserted into your page. You can select whether you want it left aligned, centered, or right aligned. You can select whether you want to insert it full size or a thumbnail. Again, I recommend that you don't rely on this. Scale all of your pictures down to no larger than 800 by 600 so that you don't compromise the performance, the speediness of the website. So you'll just go ahead, insert this, and then once a picture is inserted, you can actually go back here, click this icon. And what I always like to do is I always like to put a little bit of padding between the picture and the text. 5 pixels is always a good amount. That gives a little bit of space between the picture and text. If you need to resize it, you can click here again, and you can resize the picture even more. So pretty much it's very simple to edit the content of the page. I'm going to take this out. Once you're done making your changes here, simply click update. I strongly recommend that you don't adjust anything in the below the content area or in the sidebar area of your editor. Your time should be just spent when editing a page, just the title, the content, and then when you're done, click update. Once you click update, the changes will take effect on your website. It's really that simple to edit a page on your website. Now let's say, for example, you want to add a new page. Adding a page is simple. Simply click add new. Put in the title of the page. You put in your content here. And then once you're done, click publish and the page will be added to your website. Very simple. Parent, I want to explain what this area is to you. If you're creating a page that's a sub-page of another page, so for instance, what I mean is, if you're talking about a specific bloodline of one of your dogs, you may start with the name of the dog, the grandfather, for example, and then the page under the grandfather's awards will go under the parent page of the grandfather. So you basically can put pages in hierarchy, and sometimes that's useful. Otherwise, this by default is no parent. And once you're done setting up the page, simply click publish and the page will be live on your website. You can always save a page as draft. So if you start on a page but don't finish it, save it as draft. In that way, it won't be available to the public on the website, but it'll be saved as a draft. If we go ahead and click that there, and we go to all pages, you'll see that now that page is saved as a draft. You see right here. So you can always start a page and then finish it later if you like. Your website also has a blog center. And this blog center is basically the area that I set up for you to write articles, because I noticed on your old website you had a lot of articles that you wrote. So I set up Lisa's blog basically to be an area where you can post all of your articles. It's a really nice little feature. This page always has excerpts of your latest posts, thumbnail, and you can click read more to view the entire article. And then on the right hand side you have selections of other articles in your blog as well. So it's just a nice area to put all your articles, and these are managed through posts. Pages are the main pages of your website, and anything in your articles is posts. So if you want to edit any of these articles that I moved over from your old website, simply go to posts and they're here. Now you can set up categories as well. Let me show you. For example, if you write an article having to do with senior dogs, you could do senior dogs, create a category, and then you could do the same thing right here. You want to make sure both of these fields are filled out, and you add category, and now you have a category called senior dogs. So if you go to write, and just like with pages, same thing with your articles, you click add new to add a new article. You could do senior dog care, content goes here. It's pretty much just like editing a page, no different. And then you select the category that it belongs under. So you can actually set up categories, and as you write articles, make sure to arrange them, place them in the proper category. And again, just a nice way to keep all your articles in your blog. And it's a nice way of presenting all the articles that you write. I have a bio on the sidebar about you. So this is your area to maintain and add new articles. Now let's go ahead and go back to posts. And let's delete this one that we just did. And also let me go over how to add and edit pictures. You notice your website has a picture gallery. If we go here to gallery, you can see that this is the picture gallery I set up for your website for you to show off your dogs. It has a nice scrolling thumbnail selection up here. Whatever you select will show down here. So it's a really nice picture gallery. And let me show you how to edit this. What you do is you go to gallery. Go here to gallery, click on gallery. So when you click on gallery, you'll be taken to this page, and you can upload pictures. So for example, if we click on manage gallery, let's click on manage gallery, and this is the main gallery. This gallery here that I've set up is called main, and you can see that it has 21 images. If you click on it, if we click here, you'll be taken to an area where you can edit the pictures of that are in the gallery. These are all the pictures here. You can give them a name, a comment for the picture. You can delete a picture if you like. You can, right here, you can delete the picture. So these are all of your pictures. Let's say that there's some pictures you don't want in the gallery. Just select all of them, and you can go here and select delete and apply, or you can delete them one by one. So this is where you go to delete or edit the pictures that are currently on your gallery. Let's say you want to add new pictures to this gallery. Obviously you would go up here to add gallery/images, and this will take you to an area where you can not only add pictures to the current gallery, you can set up a new gallery. So if you want a gallery just for puppies, you can add a gallery. For example, here we can do puppies, add gallery, and now we have a gallery just for puppies. And then you go here to select files and simply select all of the pictures you want in the gallery of puppies and upload them. So for example, we can just pick any picture. We'll go here to puppies. We'll just pick this picture here. Oh, click the wrong one. We'll just click this picture, and then you can add as many pictures as you like. Once you're done, click upload. Okay, galleries of your website. I've set up a gallery, just one gallery for now. I've called it main, and this is the gallery page of your website where we have pictures of various dogs. If you click on one of these thumbnails, that picture will appear at the bottom, and that's managed through gallery. So if you go here and click on gallery, if you, for example, want to edit the gallery that's currently set up, you click on manage gallery, select the gallery that you want to manage. This gallery that I've set up for you, I've called it main. It's just one gallery, the only one that's on the site right now, and I've called it main. So if you look here, it has 21 images. If you want to edit the images, simply click on the name main, and you can change the name of the gallery. You can edit the pictures of the gallery, delete the ones you don't want, add names, comments for each picture. So it gives you a nice way of editing all of these pictures. Now let's say you want to add a picture to a gallery. Simply go to Add Gallery, Add Images, select the picture that you want to add. For example, we'll select this and we'll choose the gallery that we want it to go in, and then upload. Once you do that, it will be uploaded and added to the gallery. Now you can also set up new galleries. So for example, of male dogs, you can put all of the stud dogs under this gallery, and then when you go to add images, you can select the gallery that those images belong to. I've set up a gallery of puppies for you. So for example, if you want a gallery of just your puppies, same thing. When you upload your images, select the gallery that it should be going under. You can go to Manage Gallery and you can delete galleries. So for example, this one and this one that we did as an example, we can just delete, apply, and they're gone. Simple as that. So now you know how to edit the pages of your website, how to edit the gallery, and also how to edit the articles under your blog center. And that's pretty much everything you need to know to manage the website. I hope that you're happy with your website. If you have any more questions, feel free to call or email. And this is the end of this video, introducing you to the back panel of your brand new website. Thank you so much, and this is the end of the video.